How to migrate website to Hostinga. To migrate your website to Hostinga, you have the option of either requesting a free professional migration service or manually transferring the site yourself. Hostinga offers a convenient free website migration service that allows you to migrate an unlimited number of websites. To initiate this process, log into your Hostinga account and navigate to the Websites section. Click on Add Website and select Migrate Website. You will need to provide the necessary information, such as your current hosting login details and a backup of your website files and database if available. Hostinga's migration team will then handle the transfer for you, and you will receive an email notification once the migration is complete. If you prefer to migrate your website manually, the process involves a few key steps. First, download a backup of your website files from your current hosting account. Once you have your backup, you can upload the files to your Hostinga hosting account using the File Manager or an FTP client. If your website requires a database, you will need to export it from your old server using phpMyAdmin, and then update your site's configuration files with the new database details. After transferring your files and database, you should point your domain to Hostinga's name servers. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate across the internet. Manual migration is typically recommended for websites built with open-source content management systems, CMS, like WordPress or Joomla. However, websites created with website builders such as Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify cannot be migrated using these methods. Regardless of the migration method you choose, it is essential to ensure that you have enough disk space on your current hosting account to create a backup, and that you manually migrate any email services associated with your domain. By following these guidelines, you can successfully migrate your website to Hostinga, taking advantage of their affordable hosting plans and excellent value for money, along with the option for free professional migration services.